we're driving an airplane. Look at this. Let's go to that top floor. I know how to get there. I did it. That was scary. Now it's time to go down. Big. It's a marble maze. It gears. That's how an engine works.
Play.
It's a musical instrument. It's a bird cage. No, I can't. Guys, watch me go down this slide. Whee! Come on! Oh, this is hot. Check this thing out, guys. Look at this space capsule. It even has an emergency slide. Check out this awesome slide. I just couldn't. Watch out for the Spider-Man. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Do whatever a spider can. Watch out for the Spider-Man. No. Oh. My hand got sweaty. But my hand got sweaty, so that's why I fell off. Come on, let's go to the tire swing. This is a flying tire. Woo! Check out this cool fire truck. Let's go.
Climb inside. You're gonna go here. We'll get you in the front, then we'll put you in the back. All right?
All right.
There you go. You got it, or you need a hand?
I need a hand.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
It's where you get to drive to all the calls and you make all the noises and get the lights going and everything.
I like it.
All the buttons, turn on all the lights, everything. You got the pedals down there, the steering wheel, the horn, all the fun stuff. Got all our tools. Those are our air packs that we wear in our seat so we can put them on when we go to calls. Fire extinguishers, flashlights, medical bags, everything that you might need.
This is pretty cool.
It's like a giant toolbox with wheels and a lot of water. So you want to come around and see what's in all the compartments?
Yeah.
All right. Boom. All the stuff that we might need. You never have too many tools. And then here, I'll pick you up. We've got all our tools. So we've got shovels, pry bars, hooks, another big nozzle. It's like a big old bazooka. This is what we use to spray foam. You hold it. So hold it right here and then pull this back. That's what opens it. Push hard. There you go. That's what opens it up to get water flowing. And you pull it to you to close it. Just like that.
Wow.
Big old foam party. Yeah. And in here we've got some lights, some tarps, electrical equipment, axes. You can never have too many axes. So we've got all our rope bags. In the back here, more hose. And this up here, it's our giant ladder that we go up. So we raise it up in the air. And it goes 85 feet up in the air, so real high. And we can attach a hose here. And we'll spray water out the front. So when we go out the front, I'll show you the nozzle that we spray water from there out of. We've got more ladders that we use to get in case. This is just a giant fan. In case there's a fire or something, and your house gets all smoky, we put this at the door and we start it up. It blows a lot of air in. To get all the air out, we open up all the windows and the other doors. These just little hose packs. So we use that if we're going into like a big building. We take that so that way we don't have to pull the hose all the way from the fire truck in there. We can attach these to pipes on the inside. Make it easier. And then we've got another one here. And then right here we've got sand, cones, chainsaw for like car accidents, or if we need to cut over trees when a storm comes in. We've got all of our electrical equipment in case we need to plug into stuff. All that. And here we've got hoses. These are what we usually use on the fires. We've got a big, like we call it our deck gun, but that sprays like 1,000 gallons of water a minute. And then up here, it's hard to see, but where it's tucked in, that's where that nozzle is that you put a hose in the back. That'll spray the water out there. So we lift it all the way up and we spray it to sometimes the areas that we can't reach. Got any questions?
I like it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. I enjoy this job. It's fun.
Yeah.
Something different every single day. And you get to work with cool guys. Like that was my buddy Eric and Sean. You get to work with them and hang out at the fire station. Because we're there for a whole entire day. So we like eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner together. We do training together. Everything. We even spend the night at the fire station. Just in case a call comes in at night.
When do sometimes fires come? Like fires in houses?
When do they start?
Yeah.
So you need something hot. So sometimes it's a candle, sometimes it's an oven, Sometimes kids are playing with matches. There's a whole wide array of possibilities that could start a fire. And then once it gets going, then we try and get there as fast as possible. So that's why we go lights and sirens, and we keep people in there so that way we always go in with a buddy. I never go in by myself. I always go in with a friend, and we have people out there to help us. Because right now, the one guy, Sean, he drives. The person who drives, they get the water flowing through the hose. And the person who's in the front seat here and in the back, we're the ones that go inside. So that's our job. So where you sit is where you are. The person who sits up front here, they're in charge. That's usually the lieutenant or whoever's acting up for the day. So but there's a lot of things that start fires. That's why it's always just, you look for anything that feels kind of wrong. If there's a candle going and you're getting ready to leave the house, you want to put it out. If you see something too close to the stove or the oven that's not like a pot or pan that can catch on fire, you want to move that away. Good question.
Can you like start the fire engine up and can I see the light?
You can never have too many lights so that way everyone sees us when we're coming down the road. Or if we're parked on the road, that way they see us and know to watch out. Pretty cool? Man.
Thanks for seeing us.
Love your hair
too.
All right.
Yeah, oh, you exploded and I. Have a good day, bud. How about that?
Thank you.
Welcome.
That was my first fire truck tour. What did you think? Ah! Look at this cool fighter jet!